to be very honest. We were trying to search for names. Then what happened is we found Treehouse. It was interesting. The name was interesting. So what we did was we named it Treehouse and we decorated it accordingly. We wanted to put some nice ambience as Hyderabad is very famous for food. So what we thought is we'll mix food and we'll mix ambience. So it'll sum up to a nice place. That's what we thought. From morning to evening, it's usually youth crowd, it's couples, it's friends, everyone. Evening has all mixed crowd. When it comes to evening, there are families, there are couples. In the inside section, there are all families. Outside, there are all couples and friends and everyone. So it's a place for everyone, open for all. When it comes to interior, as I'm an event planner with Petition, what we did is we thought about everything. We didn't give it to any interior person. We did all of this on our own. So probably we had a proper idea about how to go about it, how exactly it works, what are the costing of the flowers, of the leaves and everything. And we did it according to that. Then when it comes to the chairs, we gave it a proper treehouse theme by adding teak chairs. Then when it comes to the seating and everything, we have given a proper wooden finish. Then coming to the proper jungle kind of a feeling, we have all the leaves, flowers and everything over here. We have proper grass matting so that it feels like you're entering into a proper forest. The cabanas, that's like a proper shack. So the friends, the couples, whoever come, they sit over there. So all our chefs are from 5 stars. We have a specialty about each and every chef. We don't have it like a proper, in bulk. ऐसा गंपा गुत्ता बोल के नहीं है अपना. कैसा है? There is a chef for North Indian specialty. There is a chef for tandoor, specially for tandoor. There is a chef for curry. There is a chef for Italian. Then we have junior chefs as well. Then coming to the waiters and everything, we do have a proper staffing of around 15 people. And when it comes to the mocktails and mojitos, we have a person who can we cut that? When it comes to the mocktails and everything, we have a person who has worked in some really renowned cafes before. So the taste of everything sums up. So in my place, I really like paneer tikka, I like coffee. And as soon as I come, I make sure that I have a cup of coffee. It's really refreshing. Then when it's pretty hot outside, I have iced teas over here. We have variety of it. We have a special coffee known as mellower coffee. What we do is we put a cup and we don't put sugar into it. We put cotton candy above it. So the steam goes up and the cotton candy melts. That adds up the sugar. So it gives a really nice presentation. It gives a taste as well. All our staff wears masks. We have proper hygiene even in the kitchen. As soon as the guest leaves, we sanitize everything. We clean it with sanitizer. So it is a proper safe place. And also, as you can see, the tables are having proper social distancing. So yeah, it is a safe place. So guys, stay safe and do visit our cafe. It is safe for you. As even we have families, even you do, we take care of it accordingly. We don't want to risk your lives as well. So we take all the safety measures accordingly. So do visit, you'll love it.
The ambience is really good, and when it comes to food, it has amazing breakfast. Plus, I love the parathas. I definitely recommend my family and friends to come along. Plus, this place entirely gives a very good feel to get your family along. Gives you the cafe feels that you can enjoy with your family. So it's really good. Looking forward to actually having more people around, and create more memories here. Thank you.
The ambience is very peaceful and it's very beautiful, the greenery all over, and you have to give a try to the poha, very nice, and the food is great.
The banana waffle was great. It was nice.
Out of 10, it would be 9.
9.5.
We are at Treehouse now. I'm Hemant. I am a food blogger from Hyderabad Food Safari. So I visited this place, Treehouse Cafe, like a couple of times. The most important thing here is the ambience. I feel so heavenly coming here, and being a vegetarian, I love this place a lot. The place is like very cool, awesome, sexy, fabulous, marvelous, excellent, terrific, outstanding. Like, oh, we cannot even like stop that appreciating this place. They have like some really unique dishes here. One of my favorite is nanza, where what they'll do is they'll take up a naan and they apply some gravy on it, like paneer gravy or any other gravy which of your choice, and they'll apply so much of cheese on it and they'll bake it. It's kind of a pizza, but it's baked on a naan. So it's really cool. It's healthy too because we are not getting that full baked, fluffy kind of maida, and we are getting it the atta as well as the maida inside that. So that's healthy as well as so much of yummy and tasty.